Today, I'm going to show you how to create a task for an asset or item in Rapid Auditor. There are two ways to set up a new task for an asset or item. You can do it within the Items Details page, or you can do it through the Tasks section within your Rapid Auditor system. First, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a task to a group of assets or items. This process is going to be completed through the Tasks section. So the first thing we are going to do is to click on the Task tab along the banner at the top of your screen. At the top right of your page, you will see an Add New Task button. Click on this button and an Add a New Task box will appear. Create a name for the task. For this example, I'm going to name the task Quarterly Vehicle Inspections SA. I'm going to add a summary of what this task entails in the description, and then enter an estimated cost to complete the task each quarter. The next section is an asset or item filter only. This is to help find the assets or items that you are creating the task for. These are optional filters. If you know the asset or item name, you can jump straight to the Asset Items field. Click on the drop-down box and select the assets or items that you wish to add to the task. For this task, I'm only wanting to add the vehicles located in South Australia, so I'm going to use the location filter to only search for items located in South Australia. I'm now going to select my South Australian vehicles assets or items to be included in the task. The next step is to assign the responsible person to complete the task. This can be yourself, another admin user, or an employee or worker. Click on the little triangle in the Additional Information section. This is where we can set up the task recurrence, dates and reminders. I'm going to enter the start date of 1st September 2023. I'm going to turn off the end date. I will leave automatic close off. I will turn repeat on. This brings up a recurrence pop-up. I'm going to select repeat frequency to months to occur every 3 months on the first Monday. This will create a due date of the audit to occur every 3 months on the first Monday. Next, I will set up an email reminder to remind me 7 days before the task is due. I'm going to leave Auto Approve and Auto Close actions off. I'm going to attach the vehicle maintenance policy from my file manager. And lastly, I'm going to attach the audit form to be used when carrying out this task. Once everything is filled in, I press Add New. But don't worry, at any time I can edit or change these settings. You will then see the first task that is due underneath the master task. Once this task has been completed, it will activate the next task to appear. Another way to complete a quick task, audit or action on an item is to go to the Items page, or if on your mobile device, log in using the Rapid app and search for the asset or item either by typing in the name of the asset or item or scanning the asset or item QR code. If using the web version, and once you have located the asset or item, click on the Edit button found on the right of the item or asset. The Edit Asset or Item box will appear. About halfway down the box, you will see 3 buttons: Tasks, Audits and Actions. This is where you can view any existing tasks, audits or actions that is attached to this item or asset. It will also allow you to add a new task, audit or action. Today, I'm going to click on Add New Task within the Task section to show you what appears. Now you can see the exact same pop-up box appear as when we added the recurring tasks for the quarterly vehicle inspections. The only difference is that the asset or item that you are in is pre-filled in the Asset Item field of the task. Repeat the steps we went through earlier to add a new task to this asset or item. Once added, this will appear in the Tasks section with your other scheduled tasks. Click to subscribe to our channel and visit Rapid Support Centre for more helpful tutorials and guides.